Introducing the Klaviyo app for Lightfunnels users, your tool for easy email marketing integration. After navigating to the Apps section, select Klaviyo and connect your account by entering its name and your private API key. To get your private API key, log into your Klaviyo account. Go to your account settings, click on Create Private API Key, give it a name, and ensure it's a full access key. Click Create, copy the key, and paste it into the API key field in Lightfunnels. Once connected, you're ready to create your first segment. Click on Create a Segment and give it a name. Link it to an existing Klaviyo list or create a new one. Let's say you're setting up a newsletter list, give it a name, and it will appear on your Klaviyo lists automatically. Next, filter your segment based on orders, abandoned checkouts, or leads. Fine-tune it further by choosing your contact source. Whether it's from funnels, stores, or specific campaigns, you're in control. Once everything is set, click Save. Your segment will now start capturing contacts based on the filters you've selected. With Klaviyo and Lightfunnels, managing your email marketing has never been easier. Start optimizing today.